Hey, it's Aaron, and today I'm building a PC. This PC will only cost about $180 to build. Prices may change, but right now it's $180. For the CPU, I am using the AMD A4 6300 APU. That means it's a GPU and a graphics card. For the GPU, I am using a Zotac GeForce GT 620 that has 2 GB of DDR3 RAM. Not GDR5, but DDR3. For the motherboard, I am using the Asus A78ME. This motherboard is micro ATX, so it will hold all the things I have here in a very small form factor. I will be using 4 GB of Crucial RAM that runs at 1600 megahertz. I'll also be using a Western Digital 250 GB hard drive that runs at 7200 RPM. And finally, for the case, I'm using a Diablotech Diamond ATX mid-tower case that is bundled with a 400 watt power supply. I know what most people say, bundled power supplies are not very good, but considering that I want to keep this under the price of $200, I'm going to have to stick with this power supply. Alright. But it'll probably run games at like 720p and maybe 1080p if you have quite less demanding games like Diablo 3 and like League of Legends or maybe StarCraft 2. So yeah, you can watch me build it and sit back and relax.